How to make your drawing speak. Sometimes you want to tell others to edit the drawing. Instead of using RevCloud, you can record it in ZWCAD. Record in a point for a region to an object. Here is how to do this. Click Smart Voice. Select Setting as Point. Then specify the point to insert. Keep pressing on the voice and say something. After that, a voice is recorded, 1.7 seconds. You can click it to play. For a region, it is similar, but just select a region. And as well for an object. You can open Voice Manager to check all voices. If there are many, you can click Find to locate it, or delete it. You can also hide all voices, so they will not affect the drawings. So that's Smart Voice. Thanks for watching.